Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony HT-A7000 Soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's a couple reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your soundbar is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it is not syncing or pairing with your devices, or if you're having any issues where it's not working or not making sound properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason that you might want to do this, and you'll need to do this either way, is that if you want to set this soundbar up on a new TV, just in a new setup, and you want it to be like it just came out of the box, so you can set it up new, we can go ahead and do this. On the actual soundbar, we're going to find the volume up and the power button, and if we press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds, it will initiate a hard reset to the factory default settings of the soundbar. Once that's done, then we can go ahead and turn the soundbar on and hook it up and connect it as a brand new soundbar. Thanks a lot for watching.